I love it here for the holidays.
The magic of the holidays is very much alive at French Lick Resort. 23 Skidoo to the French Lick Springs Hotel this New Year's Eve.
Hey, sugar.
We're ringing in 2013 just like they did here almost 100 years ago.
Unforgettable.
Yes, she is. That's why Natalie Cole is coming back to French Lick Resort. Tonight at 11 on News Channel 3, corruption at City Hall. The mayor is out of a job. And a boy, his dog, and a goat. The environment in this part of the country is not what you'd expect. Things have changed over the years here, dramatically, and not for the better. Thanks for taking the time to give us a look and a listen. Whatever it is, whatever you need, let Rondo Works help you get her done.